Back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through arithmetic progression of missing term. So what are missing terms? For instance, I have 2x, y, 6. Find x and y. That is missing term. Now, this is a problem. And how do I do it? You apply your common difference. Mind you, I've told you earlier that my T of n equals to a plus L, which can also be written as a bracket of G, and my a is my first term, my n is my nth term, and my D is what? Common difference. Please make sure you check the video before now, for better understanding. I'm trying to work on before. Now, at this point, whenever you have this type of problem, you apply this particular one, which is called common difference. How do I apply it? We're told that my D equals to T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2 equals to T4 minus T3, and so on and so forth. Now, that is what we are talking about. Now, whenever you have this type of problem, you have two equal to sign. It means you have to generate simultaneous equation. Don't forget that the more the variable, the more the equation you have to generate. For instance, if you are having f, y, z as unknown, you have to have 3 simultaneous equations. If you are having a, b, c, d as unknown, you have to have 4 simultaneous equations. You just check on our material on the matrix. We have a lot of videos for you on matrix. Try to check it, and you'll be fine. Now, if I want to solve this problem, it's a problem. I want to use this to solve. So now it means my T2, x minus 2, it will be equals to y minus x, it will be equals to 6 minus what? Y. Now, by implication, I can say that x minus 2 equals to y minus x, which implies, please, I love to use this, implies what? 2x, because this one will come and meet this one here. 2x minus y equals to what? 2, equation 1. Now, likewise, I can also say that one, y minus x equals to what? 6 minus y, which also implies, this one will come and meet this one, will be 2y minus x equals to 6, equation 2. Now, from here, I can now solve whatever I want to solve by using the elimination method. I say that 2x minus y equals to what? 2. I want to rearrange this one. Minus x plus 2y equals to 6. I just, I have to follow the operation attached to it. Now, I can decide to multiply this one by what? By 2. For me to multiply, I'll be having 4x minus 2y equals to 4. And this one will be x minus plus 2y equals to 6. I can now subtract equation 1 by equation 2. Subtract. This one will be equation 3 now. Sorry, because we're having new thing. Now, I can say that subtract equation 3 with equation 2. Now, which is what I'm doing now. This and this, if I'm to subtract, I will not subtract, I will add. Because of this operation, I will add. Now, it means if I should add this, it will be what? 3x. If I should add it, it will be 0, and it will be what? It will be 10. Yes, now. Hope I'm not making a mistake. 4, 6. Wait. Hope I'm melting. Oh, okay. Now, from there, I can now say that I'll be having s will be equals to 3 all over 10 over 3. 10 all over 3 is always equals to 0.333. Now, that is my f. It means the number here is 10 all over 3. And also y will be put x into equation. Which equation is going to be convenient for me? I can put it in equation 1. Now, which is, what's my equation 1? 2 bracket of 10 all over 3 minus y equals to 2. Which is going to be what? 20 all over 3 minus y equals to 2. S minus 2 minus what? 20 all over 3. That'll be what? Yes, I'm not making a mistake. Now, this one will be what? 6 minus 20. That'll be 14 minus 14 all over 3. Now, I can now multiply both sides by what? By minus, which will be y equals to what? 14 all over 3. Now, it means this will be what? 14 all over 3. That is all about that. That, can you see? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, allow me to write some questions. I have some problems there. Please permit me to write them down and let me show you how it's been done. Okay, look at this one. If 3x, y, and 24 are in AP, find s plus y. Before you can find s plus y, you must know the value of s and y. Okay, let's try to work out this. Mind you, T1, T2, T3, T4 is very important. First time, second term, third term. Now, my D will be equals to what? T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2 equals to T4 minus T3, and so on and so on. Okay, stop there. Now, what I will do here is x minus 3 equals to y minus x equals to 24 minus y. Now, it means I can have one funny equation by saying x minus 3 equals to y minus x, which is, I can say that 2x, this one comes to me, this one here, and minus y equals to 3, equation 1. And also, I can say that y minus x equals to what? 24 minus y, which is come to here, 2y minus x equals to 24. Can you see how simple it is? Now, I can now say that, now I can rearrange, so I can be able to have a better option. Rearrange the equation 2. Now, how do I rearrange it? It will now be what? Minus x plus 2y equals to 24. Now, I just rearrange it. For me to make it balanced, I can have, this is my equation 1. Now, multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by what? By 2 is a statement. You know, if you write in like this in the side exam, I didn't write it in English, they will mark it for you. Now, I think I'll be having 4x minus 2y equals to 6. This one will now be equation 3 because it's another thing entirely. Now, and I have minus x plus 2y equals to 24, equation 2. Can I subtract them together? Subtract equation 3 with equation 2. By implication, I want to subtract. Now, at this junction, I'm subtracting. I can't subtract though, because of this thing will not goes out, because plus I can only add. Please allow me to use the word add. Now, if I add it, here will be what? 3x, and here will be 0, and it will be equals to what? Add 24, that will be 30. Now, divide both sides by 3 by 3. This will cancel. S equals to what? 10. S equals to 10. Since your S equals to 10, I can now proceed by getting my what? My y. Put x into equation. Which equation is comfortable? I think this equation is not bad. Equation 1. Because the numbers there are not so much. I have 2y minus x equals to 24. I mean, sorry, Charlie, 2x. I need to equation 1 says that 2x minus y equals to 3. Now, it means 2 bracket of 10 equals to 3 because it must put x. My x is equals to this, which is going to be what? I'll be having minus equals to what? Minus what? 20. Which is going to be minus y equals to minus 17. My y equals to 17. That is my, it means here is 10, here is what? 17. Now, for me to get, you are asked to find x plus y, which implies 10 plus 17, which is it will be equals to 27. That will be the option answer. Now, I think I should be fine. Okay, let me do one more before I end this part. Now, allow me to write this question. Okay, let's see this one. If 8, M, N, and 19 are in AP, find M and N. Sorry, this is how we present coordinates anyway, which is a point. Now, I just need to understand that the sequence and an AP, arithmetic progression. Now, don't forget, the first thing you need to know T1, T2, T3, T4. Now, go to your common difference. Your D equals to what? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, and so on and so forth. Now, what is my T2? My T2 is M minus 8 equals to N minus M equals to 19 minus N. Can you see? Now, I can now say that what? M plus 8 equals to what? M minus, which is, I'll be having 2M minus N equals to what? I just rearrange. Now, once I rearrange, I have this. I'll move on to the next one, which is going to be minus. Now, I'll be having 2n, if this one comes to meet this one, 2n minus equals to 19, equation 2, equation 1. Now, I need to rearrange this. I want to rearrange one that will be fine for me. If I like, I might say that this one is also be what? Minus n plus 2m equals to 8. Now, can I subtract? I will decide to multiply equation by what? By 2. If I multiply, it means I'll be having minus 2m, n, plus 4m equals to 16, equation 3. Now, subtract equation 3 with equation 2, which is I'll be having 2m minus m equals to 19. For your information, I cannot subtract. I will use the word add. Because if I subtract, it will not go. It will be minus 4. Now, I can now say that I'm adding this, which will be 0. Here will be, it will be 3m equals to, that'll be 35. Yes, 35. I'll be having 35. Now, that's the 5. Yes, because this plus this, that'll be 15. That'll be 35. Now, divide both sides by what? By 3. By 3. This will cancel. My m equals to, can 3 divide 35? The answer is no. 3 cannot divide 35. How many 3 can we find in 35? 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. Times 12, 36. Now, it means 11 whole number. That will be what? 33, that will be 2 all over what? 2 all over 3. Now that is my n. And hope I'm not making mistake. Okay, from here I can now continue by having my n. How do I get my n? Put this number into, put m into equation. Which equation is very simple for us? Equation 1, which I'll be having 2 bracket of 35 all over 3 minus n equals to 8. I'll be having, that will be 33 times 2, that will be 70. I'll be having 70 all over 3 minus n equals to 80. Now it means minus n equals to 8 minus 70 all over 3. That will be 24. 24 minus what? 70 all over 3. My n equals to that. Now 20, that will be 50. That will be 46. I'll be having 46 all over 3. It's going to be what? Minus 10. Minus. Now, I know that 43 all over 3, I know 3 cannot divide it because some of this is 12. It's 11. Yes, it's 10. It means n equals to what? 40. How many? I know that okay, I'll be having 46 all over 3. Now it means the number here is what? This is going to be that's what it means. My m comma n will implies 35 all over 3 comma 46 all over 3. Hope I don't make any mistake. I doubt it. No, the answer is no. Now that's all about that. That's all about that. I think yes, no. Okay. Before and I have one question here. Okay. Hope I don't have the time. Okay, allow me to write one more question on missing time. Okay, look at this before we go to some of arithmetic progression. If this are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, find the possible value of P. This is a very simple question. This is a very simple question. Now, don't forget that my T1, T2, T3. Now, what is my T? My G will be equals to T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, and T. Yes, I think I don't have T4. Let me go far away. Now, what is my T2? 2P minus 10 minus P plus 1. And here will be what? T3 is what? 1 minus 4P squared minus T2 is 2P minus 10. Now, can you see the way I'm attempting it? Minus 10 P minus 1 minus 4P squared minus 2P plus 10. This and this are like terms. It will be P, it will be minus 11, and here will be what? That will be 11, and I'll be having minus P, 4P squared, 2P, and plus 11. By implication, this one will be it will be 4P squared minus 2P, plus 2P is coming, plus P minus 11 equals 0. All what is here, they are coming to make this one here. Now, by subtracting both sides, all these things, they are elementary mathematics. Now, 4P squared, this one will be what? Plus 3P minus 22 equals to 0. Now, at this point, you can now solve this, you can now solve it as you want. Now, how do I solve this thing? what can I multiply to get 88? And the same number will be adding up to get 3. 88 and what? And 3. Now, if I decide to factorize this thing, I'm not here to teach you some quadratic equation. Please, with quadratic equation knowledge, because there are 4 methods of solving quadratic equation: graphical method, completing the square method, formula method, general quadratic formula method, and factorization method. Try to get it, and you should be able to get something like P equals to 2 or P equals to minus 11 all over 2. Please try to attempt it, and you will see that you will get it. Meanwhile, normally we should be able to, the factor of this number is 11 times 8. I know that 11 times 8 will give us what? 11 times 8 will give us 88. Now, and if I have minus here, to be minus 88, and this will give us 3. And that is the number you have to work. When you're having 11 minus 8, it will be what? 3. Please, well, let me do it because of some people. Because people are complaining that I'm jumping a lot of steps. Let me do it. It means I will be having 4p squared. I wanted to leave it for you guys to do before, but no problem. Let me do it. Minus 8p plus 11p minus 22 equals to 0. I'm just factorizing. Now, I will be having this, I'll be having 4p bracket of p minus 2, common things there, and plus 11 bracket of p minus 2. You know, this must be equal to this. If not, you have done rubbish. Now, I'll be having 4p plus 11 and p minus 2 equals to what? Is 0. This should be all over 4. I made a mistake here, sorry. Now, I think I'll be having 4p plus 11 equals to 0, or p minus 2 equals to 0. P will directly equals to 2 here. Now, which is the 2 I've gotten here. Now, my p here will be equals to 4p will be equals to minus 11. P will be equals to minus 11 all over 2 and all over 4. It means those are the possible value for what? For P. In the next video, I'll be working on summation of, sum of AP. Sum of AP. You know, I will try to show a lot of things there. Don't miss the video. Once again, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.